Dave with Regal Fabric here. In this video, we're going to show you how to take a pet accident, dog or cat urine spot out of the mattress and sanitize it at the same time. If you're trying to find a video about doing general cleaning on a mattress that doesn't involve sanitization, look in the link. We have it below in the description. There is a link for that video. So what happens here is Fido or Fluffy jumps up on your mattress, has an accident. You take the bed linens off and you see a stain. Let's say it's right in this area right here. This mattress, of course, does not have one of those stains, thankfully. But you would always start, anytime you want to clean a mattress, and if you're going to do it all, start with a dry vacuum with a machine like this, Dirt Devil with a beater bar, plugs in, easy to use, very effective at removing dust-type particles and dust mite-type particles on a mattress. What we found good luck for the average person, not using professional products, but for the average person, is we love Woolite products. Again, Woolite for clothing, for general cleaning, and Woolite for pet contamination, for odors and sanitation reasons, is Woolite with oxygen in it. You can make your own. Sometimes it's better just to go to the store and buy it with oxygen already in it. So, what we did in a trusty gray pail, we've put some of this product in here, mixed it according to directions. You can use it straight, but we didn't think we had to on this. You froth it up, and with a brush like this is the horsehair brush, relatively soft bristles, where the stain is, you apply it. And you work it in. And you're going to have to let it sit because it's got oxygen. That oxygen takes time. Now, it can be difficult if there was a big dog that jumped up. Because if a big dog urinates on this mattress, there's going to be a lot of liquid that'll go deep into the mattress. This detergent, or any detergent that you use, has to follow and come in contact with that contamination. So you might have to, sometimes, you might have to pour some of this right on the spot so it goes deep. Let it dwell. We recommend on a product like this, you should 10 to 15 minutes, let the detergent dwell so the oxygen can start eating up some of that urine. You're going to then, when you think you've gotten it all, and again, you can smell it. If you don't smell it, the urine anymore, the detergent is doing its job. We're going to rinse with a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar and warm water. So in this quart bottle, there is half of it's water and half of it's white vinegar. We're going to use the wet vac here, and it should be a wet vac, not just a dry vac, but it has to be capable of pulling up water. We're going to use an extraction method that anybody can use with these two simple devices. These are relatively inexpensive, spray bottles everybody has, and we're going to pull up the residual detergent and urine using this. We're going to put this on now, spray it like this, follow, that's it. Spray, 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 spray. Oh, like that. There's some more. Okay. Now, if you've done everything right and you've gotten contact with the detergent to all the urine, you should have no smell. If there's residual smell, you can repeat the process or use a stronger oxidizer. 3% hydrogen peroxide that you find in any retail store, you can spray that on there. Something more aggressive is from like a product like this. This is from Sally's Beauty Supply store called Sally's 20 volume. It's a clear liquid just like peroxide is. You could spray that on. It's much more aggressive than the 3%. Be careful using it, but it's good at getting rid of odors and staining. If you have questions, leave them, or comments, leave them below. We'd be happy to help. Again, thank you for watching, and if you want to see the video for overall mattress cleaning, that link is below too, is below also. And again, there are many different detergents. Know what you're doing, and the key is always, whatever detergent you put in, you have to rinse it out. Use a fan like this when you're all set with the cleaning to dry it up, and you should be all set with that contamination. Again, we look forward to your questions and comments. Thanks for watching.